Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the environment so Goodnotes runs smoothly on Windows. Enable virtualization in BIOS and confirm you have Windows 10 or 11 with at least 8 GB RAM. This prevents lag when rendering handwriting. Next, install a stable Android emulator like BlueStacks and sign into your Google account inside it. Once done, use the Play Store within the emulator or sideload the Goodnotes APK to install the app. This approach gives you the native mobile experience on your PC. After installation, configure input and storage so your notes feel natural and are safe. First, map your stylus by enabling Windows Ink and adjusting pen sensitivity in the emulator's input settings. This reduces latency and improves palm rejection. Then, grant Goodnotes permission to access storage so you can open and save notebooks. Finally, point Goodnotes to a shared emulator folder or CloudSync directory for notebooks. This makes exporting, backing up, and syncing with Windows apps straightforward and reliable. Finish by optimizing your workflow and knowing how to fix common problems. Export important notebooks as PDF or Goodnotes files to your shared folder so you can open them in Windows editors. This prevents data lock-in. Also, enable hardware acceleration in the emulator and update GPU drivers to reduce stutter during large files. If Goodnotes crashes or pen input fails, clear the emulator cache, reinstall the app, and confirm virtualization and drivers are current. These steps usually resolve compatibility or performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.